Now you look at this picture, you look at my face and tell me what I'm gonna do. We tearing that shit up. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. I will back with another reaction for you guys.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! No, it's experiment weekend. We're doing some experiments this week. Now, right now, we have DJ Lilaa. Yo, right now we're finna be smash or passing DJ Lilaa Instagram photos. No, what that simply means is I'm gonna be looking at the most beautiful pictures on Instagram from the most beautiful girl in training right now. Yeah, people. So right now we're gonna see what's popping. Go follow her on Instagram at DJ_Lilaa. And you can go follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs too. I'm trying to reach 10k followers on there, so please go follow me on Instagram. Alright guys? Yeah. Now right now let's see what's going on for this video. Smash a like on the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. You don't know, we post a lot of videos over here every single day over here. Now we're gonna start with this picture, a most recent post. Bam! Let's go for a ride. Oh no, you gonna go for it. Anyways, let's see what's popping. Now, based on this picture, your ass getting smashed.
Palette knife and then work that into meat. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
No joke. Smash. Okay. Now, let's go see what's popping. Some more. Scroll. Damn, I already like that picture. Let's see what's popping. Okay, that's for the photo. Okay. No Harney. I was on the live anyway. Let's see what's popping here. Okay. Alright, you're getting the pass with this one, baby girl. Yeah, you're getting the pass with this one. You're getting the pass. But I like the picture though. Let's see what's popping for this one. Okay. Oh Lord. Yeah, you're getting the pass for that one too. You're getting the pass for that one too. Yep. We strict around here. We strict. You getting the pass.
Them boy two-faced, them too fake. Once it's a snake, them a smiling at your face. That
fake boys, yeah, but that's not the picture. Nope. You getting the pass.
You want to be this guy? You want to be that guy? Do you want to be that guy?
Let's go. Okay. All right, now there we go. Now you're getting the smash for that one. You getting smashed.
That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
All right. Let's continue. Let me go. Interview. Song. Check out her music. You know, the reaction soon come when you drop a music video. Cha. All right. You know, when I do my smash or my passing now, I look at the clothes you're wearing and how long it's going to take off the clothes and all that extra work. And right now you're in some jeans. Trust me, that I got too much work to take off unless I go slide it down. It's a pass, all right? It's a pass. We ain't going to get too descriptive over here. We still on YouTube. I need to remember that. We still on YouTube. Not a photo. Rest up, Rebel. Okay. See, though, there we go with the jeans. But these jeans are skinny jeans. They can simp. All right. So, I like. Is that neighbors Pierce? I like Pierce neighbors. Man. I do like girls with neighbors. Okay. All right, you go get smash. Smash. Go. Let's go. Ooh. Okay. Now, these are easy to take off. These ain't no damn jeans. Now, why am I talking about that? Boy! Yeah, you getting the smash right there. Okay. Let's go. Check all the music again. Okay. Not pictures. Oh, rest up, brother. Oh. This year, man. This year. Okay. This is an easy access close right here, but I don't like the picture. So that's a pass. We strict around here. Rock the crowd, yeah, girl. Rock the crowd. Rock the bumbuckle bell crowd, yeah. Rock the blood. Ooh.
Do you want to be that guy?
That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat.
No, you look at this picture, you look at my face and tell me what I'm gonna do. We tearing that shit. Okay, yeah, that's a smash right there, you know? Yeah, that's a smash.
And spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Never bringing shit. Rock the live. You see what she fat? She have to pull. She's so fat. She got to pull the button and the zipper. Rock the live. Rock the radio. Oh, flat stomach. But that's a pass for me. Okay, I like the fit, but have a pass right. Okay. I like the fit too right there. This is easy access. Oh, what am I talking about? Boy, shut up. Yeah, but okay. I'll give you a pass for that one too. Okay. Alright. How about small smash? Let's go. Okay. How about smash? Have a smash. Okay. Pass. Rock the live. This is 2019. I gone too far now. Let me chill. Alright. Pass. Calm down, my little self. People, thank you for checking out the video. I don't know how long this video is, but tear up the like button for more videos. Want to see more videos like these? They coming. Even if you don't want to see them, they coming. But it's been a boy, Tai, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.